In this video, you will learn how to select objects of the same type in Inkscape. For example, we have this design. It has two types of objects, a circle and a rectangle. Both objects have multiple instances with different colors. Let's say, we want to select circles only. Selecting each with a selection tool is time-consuming. So, we will use Find and Replace. For this, go to the Edit menu and select Find Replace. You can also use the shortcut key Ctrl+F. Here, the Find Replace tab will open. Now, we want to select only the circles in the document. So, keep everything as it is here, come down below, and expand option. There are many options here. Come below to Object Types. Here, different types of objects are listed. By default, all types is selected. Uncheck this, and check the ellipses. After that, scroll below and click Find. As you can see, all 45 objects of type circle are selected without any hassle. You can also select objects of the same type with the same color. For example, I want to select all green circles. There are two ways to do that. First is to select all objects with the same fill. We have made a tutorial on how to do it, its link is in the description. This will select all objects in the document with the same fill color. There are 15 objects with green color. Now, we have to filter out only circles from this selection. For that, go to the Find Replace tab and change the scope to Selection. This will limit the search to the current selection. Then, go to Object Types, select Ellipses in Object Type, and click Find. You can see, all 9 circles with green color are now selected. That was the first method. In the second method, we will use only the Find Replace tab. First, select the Pick Color tool and hover over the green color to get its hex code, cause we need it later. It is 225500, as shown below in the status bar. Now, type this number 225500 in Find without hash. Select Scope to all to search in all layers. Select Search in Properties, as we are going to search in Objects Properties. Down below in Properties, make sure Style is selected. Select Ellipses only in the object type and hit Find. And here you go, all 9 objects of type circle with green color are selected.